Hi there, let's talk about such an interesting topic as airdrops. It's not about scalping, however, it will help you to get profit as well. Do not forget to subscribe for all the resources in the description, and we are starting. Please pay attention to the Discord server where CScalp accumulated many useful educational categories. And please watch the video till the end, because there we will talk about the core risks of airdrops. What are cryptocurrency airdrops? Airdrops are free distributions of tokens among certain users of cryptocurrency platforms. This is a common tactic in the blockchain industry aimed at drawing attention to the projects. In order to participate in the distribution of coins, users usually need to fulfill various conditions and actions. For example, to be early participant in the ecosystem, to hold certain crypto assets in a Web3 wallet, to be a subscriber of the project in social networks, and so on. So what are the pros and cons of airdrops? We list the positive aspects of participating in airdrops. First of all, the opportunity to receive free tokens. Large project support by emittent venture investors can award tokens worth $10,000 or more to active participants in ecosystems. Handing out coins are usually liquid from the very first day, as they quickly appear on the DEX platforms and in the listings of centralized exchanges. And finally, obtaining tokens usually requires simple actions and conditions. Be an early user, make several interactions with the platform, and so on. Even more active participants in the ecosystem can receive impressive amounts, far exceeding the costs. However, there are also negative aspects. There is no guarantee to fall under the distribution, even if the user started working with the platform on the day of its launch. A lot of scams, the spread of phishing, most projects charge tiny amounts that do not even cover the commission spent by users. Another negative aspect, strong pressure on the price of the token, as many recipients of easy money tend to sell coins almost immediately after the listing of this coin. Please share your opinion about the risks and positive moments in the comments below. I know that as beginners, most of you want to know how much it's possible to earn on airdrops. According to the study, the average income of a standard airdrop hunter was about $9,000. In the premium segment, the corresponding figures were from $14,000 to $18,000. And finally, we are coming to the plot, where to track the airdrops. Quite a few services have already been created to facilitate the work and save time for drop hunters. One of these is Alphadrops. All the links you will find in the description under this video. The site publishes information about projects from which distribution of tokens can be expected with some probability. For example, the Airdrop section provides a list of early projects that have not yet issued a native token. Then, the faucets. This section has faucets for obtaining tokens that can be used to be active on various testnets. The blog section contains manuals describing projects, algorithms for interacting with ecosystems, and other steps that increase the chances of getting easy money. The founder of Alphadrops states that the strategies presented on the site are largely based on successful airdrops, which take into account the volume of transactions and the number of interactions with smart contracts of applications. Then airdrops.io provides step-by-step instructions for current and potential token giveaways. At the end of the campaign, the platform publishes basic information about the campaign, including the value of the distributed funds. Another useful aggregator is the Airdrops Alert. This is an aggregator that categorizes coin giveaways into different categories: decentralized finance, NFT, new, past, upcoming, and so on. Altcoin trading also provides information on the most promising and long-awaited airdrops, bounty programs, and exchange promotions. Here you see Airdrops tab. ICOMarks, another important resource. In addition to initial coin offerings, the ICOMarks website publishes information about current airdrops. Here you see the airdrops. The service provides information on the timing of distributions and, importantly, estimates the amount of distributed funds. Also included is step-by-step instructions for users wishing to participate in potential airdrops. We also should aware you that market participants should not forget about the risks, remembering that there are a lot of scammers in the industry. Hacks, exit scams, and other troubles are likely. Therefore, before participating in airdrop-related activities, you should carefully study all the projects and not interact with unverified platforms. You also need to be prepared to spend money on transaction fees. I hope this video was useful. Ask your questions in the comments below. See you soon.